NotebookLM is one of my favorite AI tools. It's made by Google. If you have a Gmail account or Google account, then you have the free version of NotebookLM. And if you have trouble finding it, I'll just drop a link in the comments below. So when you land here, this statement right here is so true. You can use NotebookLM to understand anything. It's got several tools built in, and I'm doing a whole series of videos showing you around each one. In this video, I'm covering the MindMap tool. So let's click right here, try NotebookLM. You see some existing notebooks I've already created. So let's just create a new notebook, and I'm going to paste in a link. This is one of my blog posts. If I had a PDF file on my computer about this subject, I could have uploaded it this way, and you'll see other ways that you could upload your sources, your source material. NotebookLM is a language model. It's not a large language model. It's an LM, and so it's a grounded LM. Whatever source materials you upload, that's all that it's going to be able to work with. It's not going to go out to the internet and look for your answers there if you ask it to. So let's go ahead and hit the arrow here. Now it's uploading that source material, and it's going to create a summary here, and usually it creates a title right there. If it doesn't create a title, you can make up your own, and you can always edit this title. The customize button is for you to add a graphic, a background graphic here. So I'm a big believer in mind maps. 6 weeks before I do an AI presentation or an AI workshop, I like to sit down with a piece of paper, and in the center of the paper, I write down the topic, and then I let my thoughts flow outward, and I jot down different themes flowing outward from that center of the paper. Okay, that's one way to do a mind map, but not everyone works that way. Some people prefer sticky notes on a wall, clustering ideas around a central topic. Others like working digitally from the start. So here's where NotebookLM's MindMap tool changes the game. So you upload your research, your notes, whatever you're working with, and NotebookLM generates a complete mind map instantly. Let me show that to you right now. So we're going to click on mind map, generate, and it's generating it down here, and we'll take a look at that in a second. It's just organizing ideas with the connections that it's already mapped out. So if you're planning a presentation like me, your brainstorm structure is ready to go. And if you are planning some other, like a research paper or a social media marketing plan, once you see this mind map, you'll see how all the moving parts and the dependencies, you can see them visually. So let's take a look. And right here you see the main topic, and now let's scoot this over more, or we could actually expand the viewer this way. And we can click each of these arrows, but before I do that, I just want you to see how it pulled out these themes from this blog post I wrote. And now let's see the sub-themes. So from these sub-themes or subtopics, I can maybe think of other blog posts to write, or if I were turning this into a presentation, I would choose some top key themes from these other key points that NotebookLM has created for me, has pulled out. So I really love this tool. I'm going to be showing you another tool this coming Saturday. In the meantime, stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you other tools in the meantime. So when I show you how to create a tribute podcast out of the audio overview tool on Saturday. So please subscribe and give this a like. I'm Lori Gama, and I'll see you in the next video.